Recently, I've been reviewing drones in my channel. I mean, I don't know much about drones, but with this guy, I wore this almost every day for 2 years, except for 10 days I didn't because I was in Cuba and I did not take this with me. Apart from that, every day, every single day. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I have an amazing unboxing. This is truly amazing because after years of using Bose's QC35, I finally upgrade to the QC35 second version. I mean, it's not an upgrade per se because this is actually a gift. So, but I still get to unwrap the gift because my girlfriend is so kind to let me unbox things even though they are her presents because she knows how much I like unboxing stuff. So, by the way, let me show you where I am. It's pretty beautiful. Just sun is about to set. It's right after the rain. So, it's been 5.5 minutes already. Let's go ahead and unbox this. And oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Yep. Okay. The first cut has been performed. Yep. By the way, I'm gonna keep this here and these guys in the frame. All right. And I think I'm way off frame on that one, but I don't care. I think I'll use mainly the GoPro footage. The box quality is a bit different. I don't know. I like the first box's quality better, but I realized that the Bose logo, the use of Bose logo is a bit different too. I wonder if it's because this one is actually the gray version versus, or silver version versus the black, but we'll see. I'm sure post a small photo of the black version of the QC35 too. Oh. Hello. Let's wave at this helicopter. Bye-bye. All right. Thank you for ruining the sound, but I hope the noise cancellation of GoPro Hero 6 did something. We will see about it soon. Oh, I like the box. What was in the first box? I can't even recall. Is it a similar box? Yeah. Let's see. This is what it is. Apparently, there was this thing in here and these. Okay. Now we can go ahead and check the new one. Oh yeah. Oh, this letter. Come on. I did not use my letter case, but okay, this didn't. Is it? Wow. No, I don't. Wow, this new letter is better. Like, Bose, I think you improved the letter quality in the version 2. This is not bad, by the way. This is fantastic too, but of course, this is newer letter, so maybe that's why it feels better. But see, the Bose logo is different on these two. There's some plastic backing, whereas on this one it's just on the letter. Okay, so it's a good thing. Then we will not confuse who's who or what is what, which is a good thing. But I think I may even steal the new box because it's amazing. Oh, by the way, I already ordered my sleep buds. If you don't know what sleep buds are, basically they are those tiny in-ear headphones that Bose released recently, and I will review that too, so don't forget to subscribe.
Sorry, I was excited. This is fun. So, it's time to try them?
And after 10th minute mark, let's go ahead and oh yes. I don't remember seeing these in mine, maybe because it's been a while since I unboxed mine. Let's see. And by the way, you will be able to see 2 years wear and tear on this one. Let's see about the inner parts. Yeah, it's the same. It's not that different. This jack is gone. Interesting. So in airplanes, we don't need this anymore? I'm sorry, but this placement was pretty cool. I don't know why they took it away. Interesting. Okay, let's keep looking at the box. Yeah. Come on, these are just details. Oh my god, they look gorgeous. What is this? Oh, that's the charging thing. I keep my cable here, and I'm just gonna dump this cable there too because this is all about Bluetooth, at least for me. And again, another thing to help us to distinguish, this one came with the airplane adapter, the new one didn't. Okay, the light is not ideal, I know, but bear with me. So I see that after 2 years there's some dandruff stains here. That's my fault, not Bose's fault. And I have some, well, there's nothing in this one because it's just brand new. Inspecting it. Okay, let's see the damage on the earpieces. I don't know why, but the black version feels like it's bigger to me, but do you guys see the bulk I see a little bit? I don't know if the weight changed, but again, I'll put it on the video. Anyways, let's look at it here. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Almost identical. I can't see much, but let's go ahead and check the button configurations. How these guys are doing. Okay, the left hand side is similar. You have volume rocker, play, pause, same indicators, same charging port, same logo, same. On the right ear, same, yes. But it will be actually the first time I'm going to check it in my life is that this button is new. That's the Google Assistant button, and apart from that, I'm not seeing much. Am I allowed to put this on even though it's a gift? I don't care, I'm gonna put it on. Oh, you know what? After just putting it on, I realized that it is actually noisy here and I'm worried about the sound quality of the video, but maybe I will not even release it. But I love this thing so much that I'll just keep shooting. Yes, this is fantastic. Let me put back on my 2-year-old version. The new one is apparently I lost some of the grip strength. Like, mine is now looser, but in no way uncomfortable. Like, yeah, maybe is it the same settings? Let me take a look at it. Of course, maybe it's not loose, but it's just tight. Oh yeah. I mean, the way this thing sits on your ears is unmatched, because unlike other headphones, you can see the depth here. Basically, the tip of your ear gets here, so there's nothing pushing there's nothing just, putting some pressure on your ears. That's why the ear free in this thing, and it adds up. Like, I mean, just today, I think I used this for 6 hours. And the battery lasts perfectly. I'm not going to go into detail or make crazy tests. The battery is more than enough for everyone, and if it is not, you charge it for 15 minutes and you get 2 hours of playback. I mean, so it's more than enough. Plus, if you go with the cable, with the noise cancellation, apparently it's up to 40 hours, but I never did that. I love my Bluetooth headset. I may actually be one of the guys who use this to that extreme, especially with the Bluetooth, but yes, I think that's what makes this video worthy of watching. If you're already watching me, I adore you. Please don't forget to subscribe. So basically the sole difference is that button on the left ear cup, and the right ear cup is practically the same, but let's see if there will be any difference. Actually, Bose QC35s are the best with mechanical sounds. So I hear the AC units, this and that, so I'll just turn this on and see if there will be any difference. Okay. Yes. Oof. Turning it on and off makes the whole difference in the world. I don't know how to describe this. I don't know if I can actually reflect this on the camera, because I've seen Jim in, the guy from Jim's review. By the way, he has the best headphones review, so if you are really interested in crazy sound tests, he is the guy. I envy him and I really like him. I watch all of his videos. Okay, I think I can turn this off. I'm sure I was shouting when I had this on, but okay. Oh, the sound looks amazing. Okay, yeah. Okay. Now, a bit plasticky though, smell. Less leather than I thought, but this is leather. Okay. Boom. yes, it's exactly the same thing. It's exactly the same thing. So is it worth an upgrade? Unless you're suffering from wear and tear, this and that, I don't think so. But are these amazing headphones? And if you don't have one, go ahead and grab it. Like I don't know if anyone has issues with their 2-year-old Bose headphones, but if you're, say, already a user of quality headphones and looking for a new one, and these things, I mean, I've had this for 2 years already, and I believe that I'll be able to keep it for another 2 years. So you get 4 years out of quality headphones. If I were you, I would just go ahead and get the new one. But if you have time, just go ahead and check the Amazon reviews. I already checked them. I mean, they are both 4.5 stars. These guys are fantastic headphones. Whew. Okay. Since I already unwrapped the present, I think it's time to give it to its rightful owner. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. See you next time.